when I thought about developing this program, I want a lot more than that for you. I want much more than that for you. I want you to become a long-term successful trader who may trade a trade, right? Successful traders, a lot of them will trade a trade. That's perfectly fine. But a real trader is not going to blindly trade the trade like following sheep off a cliff, right? Instead, the true trader trades with a full understanding of when and why his trade is working. He's aware of what's going on around him. He knows what his risks are, and he has the ability to identify when conditions change. And when they do change, as they always will, even if that change results in a temporary losing period, he knows how to confidently adapt to those changes by maybe bringing in another trade, maybe adapting what he's had, but doing something different to match whatever environment's out there because he's a skilled trader. And that's what the X4 program is all about. It's about becoming a skilled trader.